Firstly, using a black liquid eyeliner, I mapped out the skull, eyes, nose and cheekbones. I then went into a purple face paint and using a sponge I applied the purple to the top of the skull face, but I did it a bit patchily because I wanted to create a sunset sky effect. I then went into this metallic pink face paint and applied that on top of the purple. I then sponged on some neon yellow and neon orange face paint around the mouth area. I then added some neon pink right around the bottom of the face, around the jawline and a bit up on the nose. I then went into a black eyeshadow and started to shade around the skull eye area and the nose. I then darkened around the edges of all the hollow skull areas with a black face paint. I also used this to draw in the teeth area, and I just did both sides, and I didn't do the middle area because I like to do that at the end because I need to have drinks and sometimes some snacks and things, so I just did the two sides of the mouth area. Using a metallic white face paint, I highlighted around the eye sockets and also added some little patches onto the purpley bits to make it look more like a sky. Using a black face paint, I then went in and I drew a couple of palm trees on the face using a low Cornell round number 4 brush. To add to the sunset effect, I actually highlighted around some of the skull in the neon yellow shade instead of just doing it in white. I decided I wanted to take the design down onto my chest area, so I mapped out a skeleton body using a black face paint. I then wanted to add some tropical style flowers to the chest area, so I drew these, I don't know how to pronounce this, but I think it's frangipanis. It's the first time I'd done it, so this first one did actually look a bit dodgy, but then I kind of got the hang of it. Using a leaf yellow 1-stroke face paint and a 3/4 inch brush, I added leaves to the flowers. And then, using the same technique that I did on the face, I started to sponge the sunset colours onto the ribcage. I then coloured in the rest of the chest in black. I started to add some purple as well, but I kind of changed my mind and just left it black. And then once I'd covered that whole area, I drew on a palm tree. I also added some white dots and starbursts to make the chest look a bit prettier. And then I drew in the teeth over the top of my lips, which, like I said, I like to leave till last because it kind of gets messed up when it's been on there for a while. And that's the final look of my tropical skull design. I hope you like it. This was inspired by an amazing tattoo artist who I'll tag down below. Found her on Instagram. So thank you for watching. Bye.